Get ready for the ultimate summer adventure in one of the world's greatest cities. Welcome to London, where history meets vibrancy and fun. Explore the city's iconic landmark from Buckingham Palace to the Tower of London. Take a ride on the London Eye for breathtaking views. Discover world-class museums and galleries featuring treasures from ancient civilization to modern masterpieces. Escape the hustle and bustle in London, stunning parks and gardens, perfect for picnic, boating, or simply soaking up the sun. Indulge in London's diverse culinary scene. From traditional pub grub to global street food and bustling markets, shop till you drop in London's iconic shopping districts, from high-end designer boutique to vintage finds. When the sun goes down, London comes alive. Experience the city's vibrant nightlife, from trending bars to world-class theatre. Catch the excitement of London summer sports events, from Wimbledon to the London Marathon. Make unforgettable memories in London. Book now with Yamper Travels and experience the ultimate city break. Update brought to you by Yamper Travels. Plan your dream trip today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel news and updates.